Good day, people. I want to talk to you about 5 health trends that I am taking with me into 2018, right? Because they work for me. And if they work for me, I'm going to tell you about it. The first one is green smoothie. So one thing you can do is make it homemade, but you need to make sure you use 80% of greens, kale, spinach, arugula, your favorite green vegetable, right? You can add another vegetable like cauliflower or carrots, and only 20% of fruit for the enhancement of taste. I usually put a banana in every shake. I use 2% milk or coconut soy milk, which is my favorite, and crushed ice. So use your favorite beverage, preferably water, or you can use a light milk like 2% milk, 1% milk, or I use coconut soy milk, okay? Crushed ice, your favorite 8-ounce drink. Mounds and mounds of nutritional values. Or you can cheat, like I have found a wonderful, wonderful product on the market. It's called Healthy Greens. It is only 55 calories, and it has over 100 vitamins in there. If you can see that, okay? It's good for your hair, skin, and nail. And when you make a smoothie, it turns out green. And it will be an excellent meal replacement. So I use it no more than once a day for me because I don't tend to get too full on it, but it will help me for like one meal. So I used it for lunch today. It's delicious. I added banana and 5 baby carrots and couple pieces of apple to give it a little bit more flavor. It's a little grainy, but it's delicious, and it will last me for one meal replacement. So meal replacements are all a go, and also a green smoothie shakes. What else do I love? I love coconut oil. I use it for everything, for my skin, my hair, my nails. It helps with hair growth. Coconut oil is reasonably priced. You can find it at any beauty supply store. You can also find it at any 5 and Down, any grocery store. You can cook with it. It enhances the flavor of your food. It does burn easily if you cook with it on a stove, okay? Meaning that, you know, when you're cooking, light heat. But I love coconut oil. It's good for your skin, your hair, your nails. And coconut oil will lower your cholesterol. Coconut oil will also detoxify your body. Coconut oil will help you sleep. And it has just multiple medicinal properties. The other healthy trend, one of my favorite, is essential oils, people. So this is catapult. And I have a wonderful site, which I will link below, that you guys can choose. Lavender, and I did a video on these. So, essential oils. Why essential oils? Because you can use them for aromatherapy. You can diffuse them. Great medicinal properties for your, and they're plant-based. It's plant-based medicine. You can't go wrong. Plant-based shake, plant-based medicine. That's why I love it. It's healthy, it's natural, it's nutritious. And essential oils, you can use it as a topical for your skin, for wounds. It just depends on the oil that you use. One of my favorites is peppermint oil because it's a mood enhancer. I usually rub it on my temples. It helps with headaches, but it also helps with concentration. Another one of my favorite essential oils is eucalyptus oil. It's good for breathing. I ordered that for my son because he has breathing issues sometimes. So you diffuse it in a diffuser throughout the house in the same room. And my favorite, I just got a new one. It's called lemon eucalyptus. The smell, the aroma is beautiful. I use essential oils for massages. My husband gives me a massage on my hands and my feet, my back, so you can use it for topical. But with essential oils, 100%, they're very concentrated. You need to use carrier oil with it. And there's warnings with essential oils, so you need to read up on it, do your research. But they're great. They're natural. They're plant-based. Another one of my favorite is plant-based water, plant-based drinks. So I have lime in here in my water, and I also cut up some cucumber. So detoxifies your body, it flushes your body, and your urine will be clear. So that's 3. So the coconut oil I love, been using that for years. It helps with cholesterol. I actually put the coconut oil, 1 teaspoon in my coffee or my tea. But with the plant-based water, it just makes your water very refreshing easy to digest for some people who don't like the taste of water. I like the taste of water. My favorite plant or my favorite vegetable to put in water is watermelon, but watermelon's not in season, people. Another thing I love to do is drink green tea. Green tea detoxifies. Can't go wrong with these green tea. Green tea detoxifies. It also helps you lose weight. It helps you digest. And also green tea will help you if you have problems with being constipated. So you can add green tea to your diet. No sugar if you can do that, or light sugar or brown sugar. So let's recap. Coconut oil. Essential oils, I will put the link to my favorites below. I said I love peppermint for concentration, eucalyptus for breathing, but also eucalyptus you can use as a bug repellent. Yes, they have different recipes online. And another one of my favorite essential oils is rosemary. Rosemary enhances the hair. I went on this health journey, and I say I am naturally inspired by my roots. I will put a link to a t-shirt that I created, and basically I went on this journey of health, just learning about my hair, about how to regrow my hair back after it fell out. And then I started learning more about my body and how everything is connected, which I knew, but once you start doing your research and doing more reading, you'll learn that it's just better to use natural products that enhance your beauty from the inside out. So the 5 products that I will take into 2018 is coconut oil, green tea for detoxifying, my essential oils for the overall body health, meaning your hair, your skin, medicinal property for healing properties, for aromatherapy property, and for mental awareness and with mental alertness, and my plant-based water, which you can just add a lime. You can even cut up some orange or cucumbers, refreshing, and it detoxifies your body. You will urinate enough, but your urine will be clear. And green smoothies for a meal replacement once a day. You can't go wrong, people. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for riding with me. And use some of the trendy products. They will enhance your life. Have a great day, people. Have a great day.